Hi guys! Welcome to my mini reels po. So where we go, we're going to exposing our remaining negative energy na nasa atuang nasa atuang body para ma-fully charge ang positive energy. Sabay ganun, no? And then guys, where we go pointing, the pointing natin is going to Ishikawa over there kasi doon yung fab ko na La Cuachera. I've been there a lot of going there over there dito sa Fukui. Kaya medyo paiba na naman tayo ng destination. Ayan. And by the way, thank you so much pala sa beautiful OOTD of mine. That's what I'm wearing now. Ayan siya. Ayan. By the way guys, hindi nyo talaga ako nakikita sa mga reels ko. Kaso lang, it's time to shout